Okay, welcome once again to our online sales training on the chemicals. Today we are going to talk about hand sanitizers. Now, one thing that we all have to notice, we have so many processes and methods of producing hand sanitizers. There are some that we use aloe vera gels and other things, carboma and all those things, but right now we are going to do another simple hand sanitizer. So the items that we will need now is, as usual, the IPA, the isopropyl alcohol. We have our gasoline, that's 40 ml of gasoline. We also have our fragrance, the perfume. We have our citric acid. For us to care about our skin and then the hands, we are going to add citric acid. And then we will also have our hot powder thickener right here. So these are the items that we are going to use. Now with this little quantity, we are going to produce hand sanitizer of what? This is 1.5 liters. This is also 1.5 liters, making 3 liters. So we are going to produce 3 liters of hand sanitizers. Okay, so first and foremost, we will pour 1.5 liters of the IPA into our mixing bowl. Okay, now we are going to add our hot thickener. And then we mix it with our spatula. Okay, now we are going to add our citric acid. Then we continue stirring. Now our next item is the gasoline. We have 40 ml of gasoline here. So we are going to pour all inside. Then we continue with our mixing. Now our last item is what? Our fragrance.
The smell.
Okay. As you can see, our hand sanitizer is already what?
Ready.
Done with.
So I'm going to bring my container.
Okay, so that's our hot hand sanitizers. Okay, if you want to test it, you can come and then you come and test it. You look for me wherever that I am, then you come and then you test it to see how it is. Just look at how fast it dries on the hand. Okay, as you can see, immediately it pours it into your hand. It takes care of every other dirt, as you can see, drying up so hot, fast. So that's with the hand sanitizers. Mind you, immediately you get done with, you have to what? Pour them into your containers and then you seal it because of what? The IPA, which normally does what? Evaporate. Thank you.